Hey everyone, Coach Gabby here, and I'm super excited to share with you this awesome stubborn knee fat workout. That's right, we're gonna slim down these knees. Now first I'm gonna show you the demo and then we're gonna do it all together. Let's go. All right, first we have knee ups. We're gonna gently lay on the floor on your back. Oh, and as you can see here, I'm wearing my awesome svelte leggings. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description. We have hoodies, we have water bottles, we have so much going on, awesome stuff. Check it out. All right, so now those knee ups. Laying back, we're gonna put our knees at a tabletop, and you're just going to kick up and down, up and down. Really make sure you're squeezing your legs, engaging your muscles, and those are the knee ups. Next, we have air cycles. So in the same position as before, lying on your back, with our feet up again, you are going to cycle. Now, if you want to add a little core exercise here, you can come lower. But if that's a little bit too difficult, just keep it up here. No worries. Next, we have frog pumps. Now these are funny. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what it's supposed to look like. And we're gonna, again, our legs up. And you're going to go in a diamond shape. Up, diamond. Up, diamond. So basically like a little frog swimming in the water. You're just gonna kick those legs, all right? And then we're gonna finish it with a lying side leg circle, okay? So I'm gonna turn around again so you can see it. Laying back in this position, legs up, and we're going to circle to the side. Circle to the side, all right? Engaging your muscles, your legs, your core. We're gonna do 10 on right and then 10 on left. Okay, so that is your stubborn knee fat workout. Let's do it all together. All right, so first those knee ups. Laying back, legs up, and we're going to kick. Kick. Remember to engage your core, squeeze your thighs, and also relax your neck and your back, all right? Back health is super important. We wanna make sure we're taking care of our body. All right, a few more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Next, we have our cycling. So staying here, legs up, we're gonna cycle. And we're gonna do this for 15 seconds, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Squeeze those thighs. We're almost done. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Awesome. If you need, shake out your legs, shake out those muscles, and then let's get back into it. Frog pumps. Legs up and froggy. Kick out and into a diamond. Out, diamond. Sucking in that stomach, engaging your core, squeezing your thighs. All right. Almost done. Come on, you can do it. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome, relax. Shake out if you need to. And let's get into those side leg circles, all right? So legs up. We're gonna do right and then left. 10 right, 10 left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go straight into the left. 1, 2. And if you feel like your body's moving to the side here, make sure your hands are on the mat, and that gives you a bit of balance, okay? 4 more. 3, 2, 1, and done. Awesome job, everyone. For more videos like this and recipes, click the link below and you'll see me, Coach Grace, Coach Meredith, and can't wait to do the next one with you.